Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to activate your education or uh, Deped Microsoft's account. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And basically, as you can see for this video, we're just going to follow this article. And simply, you will be needing just to get or to open the email that you find for activating your Deped or education Microsoft's account. So whenever like you got like invited to it or you're the one like who enrolled for it, you will get this email and basically it says to activate your education Microsoft account. And basically they will provide you with a username and with a temporary password. So you will use this so you can be able to log in into your Microsoft account so you can be able to activate it. So here in the Microsoft or in the login.microsoft online, basically you can just go to Microsoft and then you can log in from there and then you will need just to add the username that they gave you in the sign in. You click on next and then you go and add the temporary password and they will take you to the page where you can update your password and change it. And basically you will click on sign in and now you have uh, change the password. And basically now you will need just to add a 2FA authentication or the two-factor authentication. You click on next, you will back up your account. You choose just one of these methods. Either you can start authenticating with your phone or with your email or with the security question. You choose whatever you'd like and you will need to at least set up one option. After doing that, you will just follow the instruction or the on-screen instruction. They will send you a code and then you will authenticate, verify, and basically now you have activated your account successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.